After repairing my Amiga by transplanting an ATX power supply, I hacked together a tick generator using a 555 timer. Now it's time to build something much better. This easy-to-assemble project is simply a reimagining of my original hacked-together 555 timer solution. It's called Jazztick because it's good enough for jazz, and it's not an exact science. Sponsors of this video are PCBWay. They provide PCB prototype fabrication from as little as $5. They also have a huge library of shared projects, and if you're not confident with a soldering iron, you can get them to assemble them for you. PCBWay also have CNC machining and 3D printing services. All of this is available at PCBWay.com. Thanks PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Rather than taking a single resistor, it takes 4. This allows you to fettle the resistance a little bit to tune it to the right frequency. I'm looking at using 100 ohm and 150 ohm resistors. The actual value we require could be anywhere between 350 and 550 ohms. What I'm aiming for is 50 Hz. That's because I'm in the UK and I have a PAL Amiga. So the first pass isn't quite as we expected. So it takes a little trial and error. So what I've ended up with are 400 ohm resistors. So let's just take a moment to see what the values actually are and what our total resistance is. Now that's more like it. It's entirely possible to get this to generate a 60 Hz signal if you want NTSC. So let's swap out the one we have on the Amiga. Let's remove the hack and put in this nice new board. Well, you could say it's now stuck to the power supply, a little bit like a tick. And I bet the question you're thinking is, why not click subscribe and check out this video next?